you've done a bunch of rocking horse on one side, you've done some rocking horses on the opposite leg, can you alternate from one side to the other? And the answer is absolutely. In fact, it's probably one of my most favorite exercises to do. Let me show you how it works. So you lift up one leg, you drive back with the opposite leg, and then that leg swings forward so that you can lift up the opposite leg, and then you're swinging. Now I went from one side to the other. You can do it forwards and back. And it is an incredible hamstring exercise when you do it forwards and back. Let me explain what happens. So you lift up one leg, you rock forwards. To pull this other leg through, it's the hamstring of the leg that's on the bottom of the pool that's actually providing the stability and the power for you to swing that leg forwards. I always find it so fantastic when I get in the pool and I make these realizations, because you don't feel that on land. And if you're thinking land-centric as far as muscle contractions that would working against gravity, it's the complete opposite in the pool. So I go up, back, and as that leg swings forward, it's my left hamstring that's like pulling to hold myself down to allow that leg to go forwards. And then you have to pull the leg down. This is such a back of the body, lower body, back, hamstrings, glutes, upper body, chest, and mainly upper arms, so your shoulders and back. You do feel a little bit in your upper back, you do feel a little bit in your quads, but it's so interesting that it's this bit here and then that bit there that works in the rocking horse. Can you do the short, fast rocking horse alternating? Absolutely, same rules. And you can rock from side to side, or you can stay facing forwards. It's such a great exercise.